Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about 5 ways to thrive in 2021. Let's get started. 2021 is going to be an incredible year for those of you who begin to step out of your comfort zone for all the right reasons. For those of you who start to step into the unknown with excitement and letting go of fear. It might seem right now as though it's time to let's wait. Let's just wait and see what's going to happen. Let's not get these ideas out to the universe as of this very moment with everything that's going on around the world. But the truth of the matter, 2021 is all about positive changes. 2021 is all about changing the way you perceive your reality, changing the ways you move forward, beginning to open up new hidden doors as far as new directions that you're able to take, starting to get these ideas out into the public, starting to put more time and energy and effort in investing in yourself. And as you do, for those of you who start to do this, for those of you who start to push forth with whatever it is that you're passionate about, you're going to be seeing, you are going to have unexpected, pleasant doors that are going to open up for you. Because this is the year to literally transform ourselves. This is the year to push forth with whatever it is that we're passionate about, fully opening up that heart chakra and putting all the time and energy and effort onto us. The first way to thrive in 2021 is using the law of attraction, but not only to manifest our big end goals. Every single day, you start using the law of attraction, no matter what you're going through, no matter what's happening in your life. Start to expect situations to turn out in your favor. Start putting in some time. Let's say if you're going into work, you have a presentation that you have to do. Start putting out the intention. I will be speaking clearly, and all those listening will agree with what it is that I'm presenting. Start looking at your everyday life and how you're able to start to co-create your reality, how you're able to manipulate your reality in your favor. And anytime you're feeling any type of blockages, same thing. Put that question out to the universe. Make sure to spend some alone time in order to receive that answer. But don't forget about law of attraction. It's not just once in a while when you're meditating. On a daily basis, look ahead. Wake up 20 minutes early. Look ahead. What am I going to experience today? What is the outcome that I want to have come forth? And start envisioning this. Close your eyes and envision this. Start speaking this to the universe. And you're going to notice more often than not, situations are going to turn out in your favor. And not only this, your manifestations are going to come a lot quicker. The second way to thrive in 2021 is using your intuition, allowing your heart to fully open and beginning to trust your intuition over rationally thinking your way forward. Because oftentimes what's going to end up happening is rationally thinking will take you in one direction, but your heart, your intuition will lead you in another direction. And it might seem as though for a short period of time, things are not working out. Things are not quite unfolding the way that you perceive them to. But if you're able to maintain those high vibrations and you're able to fully trust your intuition, you're going to be seeing that you will be taking secret, hidden shortcuts as far as getting yourself aligned more and more on the path that you should be on, as far as bringing forth your manifestations. And when it comes with your manifestations, stop viewing them as I have to deserve them. Start viewing them as they are keeping me aligned on my right path. The third way to thrive in 2021 is allowing your creativity out, allowing it to flow. Literally start to feel your way forward. And then no matter what creation you have, no matter how weird or how out there your ideas, your invention is, if you're passionate about it, it is the right path to be on. So don't be afraid to test out, try out new, different creative projects. And it could just be just doing it for yourself personally. It's bringing you lots of joy and happiness. Or else it could be in order for you to start selling a product or start selling something that you have created. But don't be afraid to tap into this creativity. You're going to discover you have secret hidden talents that you have never explored before. But for those of you who start to explore these talents, it's all about leading you down the right path. It's all about truly discovering who you are on the inside. And it's by allowing this creativity to come out that you're truly going to discover yourself at a much deeper level. The fourth way to thrive in 2021 is connecting at a deeper level with your angels and your guides. Whether you've been doing this for a long time or else you're new at this, start connecting with them. Take some time to be able to be alone, sit alone, meditate, get out in nature, and start to open up about what is that you're living through, what blockages you have, what future do you want to have come forth, which direction do you want to take. And if you're remotely struggling with opening up to your angels and your guides, think about a lost loved one and just start communicating with them and be open to receiving also. And don't forget about this. Each and every single one of us, whether our twin flames have reincarnated as of this very moment, whether they're here on earth right now in a physical body with you or not, you're always able to connect with them. And when they're not, they're part of your angelic team. Therefore, you can also open up to them. But what's important is to start acting on that guidance. What's important is once you start receiving that guidance, start acting on it. And if it's ever at some point, it's just not quite clear, ask for a clearer message. But the more you start acting on this, the higher your vibrations are, the better you feel about yourself, the more you've released from your heart, the clearer their messages are going to be. And you're going to see, you're going to get a much deeper understanding as far as how is it that you should move forward. And it's going to give you that confidence. It's going to release that fear, and it's going to start to bring forth that childlike excitement. And once you start to tap into this energy, you're going to see it's going to become clearer and clearer and clearer as far as how you should move forward. And the fifth way to thrive in 2021 is viewing everything that's happening in your reality as something being done for you and not against you. Because you're going to be noticing there's going to be so many twists and turns. There's going to be so many changes coming up for you in 2021. But it's your ability to maintain those high vibrations during those seemingly difficult times that's going to dictate which timelines are going to be available. It's going to dictate what the outcome is going to be. So in 2021, flow like water and see everything as happening for you and not against you, because as much as you think you're aware exactly where you should be heading, exactly what's the end goal, we're always just getting little bits and pieces of information, but we have to allow our faith and our certainty to grow, and we have to trust that we're being led down the right path. And for those of you who do fully open your heart and trust that guidance that you're receiving, you're not going to recognize where you're going to be by the end of 2021. You're actually going to be surprised at how many seemingly bad situations ended up being the most incredible experience of your life, because it's finally led you down the right path. The spiritual awakening process can be scary at times. And I'm going to be honest with you, going from my pre-awakened self, as far as being a truck driver, delivering petroleum-based products to gas stations and things of that sort, to becoming a spiritual guide, to becoming an energy healer and beginning to share what I'm passionate about, the knowledge that I've gained about spirituality, has been the absolute best thing that has ever happened in my life. Because before my awakening, I was on that autopilot mindset. Therefore, that's exactly what was reflected out into my reality. But now I'm embracing the unknown with that childlike excitement instead of allowing any type of fear to come forth. And what's important is tap into that passion, start pushing forth with that warrior-like mentality, Let go of any fear of being judged by others, because you're going to notice this as you start allowing more and more of your authentic self out. People are going to be starting to judge you. But guess what? Those people are happy living their life as far as being on autopilot. So let them go. Let them go. And not only this, don't compare yourself with others, because whatever unique gift you have to share with the world, you're going to be able to put your own spin on it, and people are going to see how passionate you are, and that is what's going to bring forth all the individuals looking for what it is that you're either selling or the service, whatever it is that you're creating. That's what's going to draw individuals to you. But it's only by peeling back all the layers and finally saying, you know what, world, here's the most authentic version of myself, and be open, willing, and able to receive. And as you do this, you're going to see by the end of 2021, no matter how much you change in 2020, because 2020 was all about changing internally, about healing, purging, peeling back the layers, discovering who we are, amping up our spiritual gifts. Well, now 2021, it's all about positive changes. It's all about these unexpected blessings, these secret doors that are going to be opening up to you. But you have to start taking action. You have to tell yourself once and for all, this is the year that I'm investing in myself as far as my future, and I'm going to continue to tap into this passion and work on it day in, day out. And for those of you who do, you're going to be noticing 2022 is going to look a lot different than the beginning of 2021. Well, that's going to do it for the video. I love you guys. You guys have an awesome day. Namaste.